Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 8P headlight bulb. This straightforward process can be completed at home with minimal tools. We will walk through each step, from preparation to testing, ensuring you can confidently replace your bulb. This guide focuses on the common H7 halogen bulb, a 12-volt, 55-watt type, helping you restore full illumination to your vehicle in about 15 minutes. Before starting, always ensure your Audi A3's ignition is fully off for safety. Next, open the bonnet and identify the headlight unit you need to work on. At the back of the headlight, you will find a black plastic cover. This cover protects the bulb and wiring. Gently press any tabs or clips, then remove this cover to gain access to the bulb housing, revealing the components inside. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Reach into the headlight housing and grasp the bulb holder. Turn it about 30 degrees counterclockwise to unlock it, then carefully pull it out. Gently remove the old H7 bulb from the holder. When installing the new 12-volt, 55-watt H7 bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the holder, then guide the holder back into the headlight unit and twist it clockwise to secure it. With the new bulb securely in place, it's time to reassemble. Carefully put the black plastic rear cover back onto the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks firmly into position. Once the cover is secure, gently lower and close your Audi's bonnet. Finally, switch on your vehicle's ignition and turn on the headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You should now have clear, bright illumination for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.